The Rolgear Ratchet Screwdriver. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Rolgear Ratchet Screwdriver, a multi-bit tool that uses roller bearing construction. The company sent this out for me to review. I've included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. The tool comes with this product information. Rolgear uses roller bearing construction and operates very smooth. There is no clicking and no loss of rotation. It grips right away. It also has an ergonomic grip. They offer a variety of selection on their site along with additional tool bits that can be purchased separately. The screwdriver feels very solid and it's well built. This model comes with 7 stainless steel dual-ended bits. They are held into place by magnets. These bits can be used for the most common tasks out there, whether you are assembling something, fixing something around the house, or working on your vehicle. In the middle, you have a 3-position knob. Turn it to the right to tighten. Turn it to the middle, it will lock it into place. And turn it to the left to loosen. It has a nice grip and feels good in the hands. You can even adjust the settings with one hand as well. Changing the bits is easy. Just remove the current one and push the one you want to use out. It comes in at about 8.5 inches with the bit installed. Here I have a screw that I'm loosening. Right away I can feel that it's very smooth and it just grips. No loss of rotation or clicking. A turn to the right will change the direction to tighten. Again, it's very smooth and the grip feels good. The Rolgear Ratchet Screwdriver. I'm very impressed with this tool. It's very precise and works smooth. This can replace a lot of tools in your toolbox since it comes with various bits. It's very handy to have for assembling things, fixing things around the house, or working on your vehicle. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.